Mr. Mom's Racing. Wow, found these at a flea market this weekend. Lionel Revolvers. See what happens. Hold on, folks. Okay, Mr. Mom's Racing. We got a new contender. You ready to do this, Mr. Bojangles? Yep. He's good to go. You ready, General? Sure. Okay, so we got some revolvers. Dad versus son. A rip.
Oh, no.
Oh, that...
Oh, my hood popped out.
Oh, yeah, that's excuse. Hey, wow.
That was a close race.
Lionel Revolvers. Wow. Holy cow. Okay.
Let's re-rack them.
We're gonna go ahead and revolve these. See what happens. Okay. We're gonna revolve and run them again. See what happens. Who's the winner?
In the slow lane.
Okay.
Ready?
Whoa! Wow! Look what happened when you revolved them. I'm sorry. Whoa. Mr. Bojangles, how you feel about this?
He's pretty happy.
Yeah, he's had a couple too many. He's good though. All right, so. All right. Who's this guy right here? All right. Okay, so
oh, that's me.
drop a Mr. Mom Joe is the winner of the revolver so far. Next up, Mr. Mom Bubba. Okay, a revolver. Lionel Revolver race. Mr. Mom Joe, that lane, correct? Mr. Mom Bubba, that lane. Okay, dropper, let it rip. Whoa! Wow! How you feel about that? Yeah, wow.
He's pretty happy, isn't he?
Yeah, he is. He just all smiles all night. Okay, let's see what. Wow, wait, look at that.
I don't think mine likes being upside down.
Yeah. Winner so far. I'm gonna revolve them. See what happens. Oh, da-da-da. These are pretty cool, you know. Look at that. Okay.
Yeah.
Revolvers revolved. Here we go. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, no, dude, come on. What? Second place? Oh, what? Why you gotta do this to me? Okay.
Glad you got it.
Oh boy, here we go. We're gonna do a lane change on this. See what happens. Revolvers revolved. Woo! Look at that! Wow, get her done. Let's do a sound effect.
Oh yeah, that's liquid fire right there.
Oh boy, look at that. Zippo. Okay. Oh, hold on, put that up for real. Winner.